Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to change desktop icons in Windows 10 so you can personalize your computer the way you like. Now let's get started. Step 1, right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select Personalize. This option opens the Windows settings where you can control the appearance of your system. It is important because this is where you begin customizing themes, backgrounds, colors, and icons. Step 2, in the left sidebar, click on Themes. The Themes section allows you to manage the overall look of your Windows 10 system, including background images and sounds. This is where you can access advanced icon settings for your desktop. Step 3, on the right side or at the bottom, depending on your window size, click Desktop Icon Settings. This option opens a small window that shows default desktop icons like this PC, Recycle Bin, Network, and Control Panel. It is useful because it lets you control which system icons appear on your desktop. Step 4, in the window that pops up, select the icon you want to change, for example the Recycle Bin, and then click Change Icon. This button allows you to replace the default system icon with a different design. Choosing the right icon can help you make your desktop look more organized and personalized. Step 5, pick a new icon from the list shown, or click Browse if you want to use an icon file you downloaded from the internet. The Browse option lets you select custom icon files stored on your computer. This gives you full control to use unique and creative icons. Step 6, click OK, then click Apply to save the changes. Clicking OK confirms your selection, and Apply makes sure the new icon appears on your desktop immediately. This final step completes the customization process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.